गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात परम ब्रह्मा गुरु साक्षात परम ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरु साक्षात गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरु ही ब्रह्मा गुरु ही विष्णु गुरु ही ब्रह्मा गुरु ही विष्णु गुरु ही साक्षात महेश्वरा गुरु ही साक्षात महेश्वरा गुरु गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरु ही विष्णु गुरु ही देवो महेश्वरा गुरु ही साक्षात ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. So ladies and gentlemen, once again I'll just recite this, this in the name of my gurus, in the name of my teachers, in the name of humanity, and in the name of all the people around. So ladies and gentlemen, Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwara Gurur Devo Maheshwara Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwara Gurur Brahma Gurur Devo Gurur Brahma Guru hi Vishnu Guru hi Vishnu Guru hi Maheshwara Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwara Guru Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwara Gurur Devo Maheshwara Gurur Sakshat Param Brahma 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 Guru Shri Gurvay Namah Guru Shri Gurvay Namah Guru Shri Gurvay Namah Tasmay Shri Gurvay Namah Tasmay Shri Gurvay Namah tasmay Shree Gurvay Namah, tasmay Shree Gurvay Namah. So, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is a very important day. Today is a very, very, very important day, the Teachers' Day, dedicated to all the teachers all over the world. That's why it is known as Purnima. Guru Purnima. Have a look around the beauty of the life, the beauty of the morning in this very big city forest. The chirping, as I told you, the chirping of the birds, the chirping of the birds, the animals, and of course, the big birds, the small birds, and peacocks, and the hot breeze of the morning, but happiness and health. Joyfulness is our agenda and joy is our motto. So let's come back to our topic, ladies and gentlemen. So today, 9th July, Sunday, 9th July 2017. 9 July 2017, and it is the Guru Purnima day. It is the Teachers' Day. This day is completely dedicated for the greatness and for the greatness and for the celebration and for the happiness and at the feet and for the worship and for the praying to our teachers who have led us from darkness to enlightenment. So, ladies and gentlemen, that this day of Guru Purnima, very important day. What does this Guru mean, basically, in the Indian context, Hindu, tradition? Guru, ladies and gentlemen, Guru means G-U and R-U. You just separate these two for a moment. G-U, Gu means darkness. G-U means, ladies and gentlemen, we're just getting to the last end. We'll just go back and have a very nice talk and try to understand this completely. Let's just cross these people first, get slightly faster, and oh, that's beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, these people, they are also in the morning, and that's very important. So what I was trying to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, in the morning, people are running, people are on the bicycle, and that's the beauty of this life. Just hold it tight. So that's what exactly is happening, ladies and gentlemen. For their fun, they want to have the dogs in the city forest, and the problem will be for the other people. So let's come back to our topic. That is Guru Purnima. So, ladies and gentlemen, as I told you, G-U or U, we need to separate out. U means darkness, and Ru means, R-U means enlightenment, happiness, health, and celebration. So the person, the Almighty, the God in man, teacher who leads us, all of you and me, you and me, who leads us from, ladies and gentlemen, from darkness to enlightenment, darkness to health, animal form to human form. Because without learning the secrets of life, getting enlightenment, will be as good as animals. So ladies and gentlemen, Guru, teacher, Adhyapak, and leads this Vidyapak, leads the pupil, leads the students, the candidates from darkness to enlightenment. So while you are just having a very beautiful look of the greenery, the morning bliss, I'm telling you the philosophy and the importance of this very, very important day. That is Guru Purnima. You know why Purnima? Purnima means the full night moon. You know, on this day, the moon is full. And now, after this Guru Purnima, as I told you that leading the teachers lead from darkness to, darkness to health, and darkness to happiness, and darkness to enlightenment. On this very important day, Guru Purnima, Lord Shankar, Lord Shiva, he gave the teachings and the secrets of yoga and the life and this universe, the complete cosmos. He gave, to the Saptarishis. So ladies and gentlemen, these Saptarishis around 15,000 years back, they went to this Adi Guru, because Lord Shiv Shankar is also known as Adi Guru. Adi Guru means the first Guru, first teacher on this universe is, Adi Guru, Lord Shiv Shankar. He gave the secrets of life and this universe and the teachings to these Saptarishis, 5 plus 2, 7 rishis. These 7 rishis, they got the lessons of life. First from Adi Yogi. Adi Yogi means the first yogi. And first yogi, of course, ladies and gentlemen, he is none other than Lord Shiva himself. So you just see, the importance in the Hindu tradition and Hindu Vedic scriptures and Hindu mythology. It's very important, ladies and gentlemen, this Guru Purnima, only on this day, this Lord Shiva gave the sermons and gave the teachings and gave the secrets of life to the Saptarishis and yoga, of course. And on this very day, ladies and gentlemen, on this very day, when Lord Shiva gave secrets of life to these Saptarishis, seven rishis, so Lord Shiva is also known as Adi Guru. That means first Guru and Adi Yogi and first Yogi. So Adi Yogi gave the lessons of life to his disciples, to his pupil, to his, Vidyarthis, the Saptarishis, on this very, very, very important day. That is, this Buddhi Purnima. And of course, why this, this Buddhi Purnima? It has one more very, very, very big significance. Let's just try to understand first where we want to go. So there are many ways. So let's go this way. This is gate number 1. There are a lot of gates, around 12 gates for that matter, and we need to go around and just find out. And at the same time, we need to also understand, ladies and gentlemen, that what I was trying to tell you in the morning, that this significance of Guru Purnima. Guru Purnima is very important because Lord Shiva gave the teachings to Saptarishis on this day. And again, Buddhi Purnima after just 5 weeks. 5 weeks having completely devoted and done tapasya, penance, complete without eating anything under the Bodhi tree. In Bodhi tree in Bodh Gaya, Lord Buddha. This Guru Purnima is also connected with Hindus, with Jains, with Buddhists, and many other people for that. The whole world, I would rather say. Because you know that teacher has a very important significance for the humanity and the world. You know, from times immemorial, because without teacher, you know that Purshuram, he also taught Bhisham Pitama, Karna and Dronacharya. You know that, so this teacher is very important. You cannot just forget about these teachers. Teachers, we have to say Naman. Naman means and salutations, thousands, millions and millions time. We cannot just for that matter, we are indebted. We are indebted because of these teachers. We cannot forget about teachers. You know, again and again, wherever we go, we should just deep in our hearts, deep in our mind, we should salute these teachers. Those teachers have made us what we are today. Without teachers, it would not happen, because they are selfless. They give us the complete knowledge, the complete information of the day-to-day life. So, ladies and gentlemen, this coming back to the epitome of peace and non-violence. You know, this Lord Buddha completing his tapasya, his penance and his meditation near the Bodhi tree on Bodh Gaya. He went to Sarnath on this very day. And from Sarnath, you know, in Sarnath in Uttar Pradesh, on this day, ladies and gentlemen, Lord Buddha gave the first sermons on Buddhi Purnima. So Buddhi Purnima is again very, you know, very much connected. Very important, ladies and gentlemen. For that matter, it's for Buddhists also. You know, so on this very important day, on Buddhi Purnima, and Buddhi Purnima, on Guru Purnima, Lord Buddha gave the first sermons to his pupil, ladies and gentlemen, some around 2,500 years back. Lord Buddha means minus 500 means 500, around 500 BCE, before Christ. So around that time, Lord Buddha gave the sermons first time in Sarnath, Uttar Pradesh, on this very important day, Buddhi Purnima. So Lord Buddha, after completing his meditation and getting enlightenment under the Bodhi tree in Bodh Gaya, he went to Sarnath and started preaching and teaching to his disciples, and that's from which day the Buddhism started in the whole world. And one more important, ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell you about this. You know, this Buddhi Purnima, why it's significant, why it is so important. It is also connected. It's also very much connected and very much, you know, in sync with you know, Ved Vyas, Bhagwan Ved Vyas. That's why it's known as Vyas Purnima also. You just see that this, you know, this Bodhi Purnima, Guru Purnima, Vyas Purnima, the full moon reflecting the complete, you know, this rays and light, acting as a mirror, and then reflecting the light of sun on our planet Earth. You just see, ladies and gentlemen, let us just try to find out where you need to go first. Because, you know, there is a 4-way और वे यहाँ से कहाँ जाते हैं भाई साहब? विच वे दिस वन?
उधर लालकोट के लिए रास्ते।
अच्छा अच्छा, यहाँ से
आप बाहर निकलेंगे गेट नंबर 3।
और ये दिस वन?
ये गेट नंबर 1 की तरफ।
Okay, so thank you very much. So what I was trying to tell you, so ladies and gentlemen, let's just go. This is Lal Kot. Again, I'm telling you, this was the first city of Delhi which has been built maybe around, say around 1,000 years back by Prithviraj Chauhan, and of course, and this Qutbuddin Aibak, and who built, and Alauddin Khilji, all these people, who made this Qutub Minar that time, this Lal Kot city, and have a very glimpse of the first city of Delhi, that's known as Lal Kot. So while we are discussing this Guru Purnima, you can have a very beautiful view of the Lal Kot also. So ladies and gentlemen, just see, people are enjoying, people are happy, people are taking photographs. There are a lot of good things happening. So what I'm trying to tell you on this good namaskar, happy Buddha Purnima, Guru Purnima. So Guru Purnima, these are young boys and girls. That's very nice. So ladies and gentlemen, what I was trying to tell you, just see how beautiful it is. Just see, these are peacocks and a lot of other birds. So coming back to our point, Buddha Purnima, ladies and gentlemen, on this very important day, on Buddha Purnima, only this Bhagwan Ved Vyas gave, Vyas Purnima also, on this day dictated Mahabharata, one of the biggest and the most important manuscripts and the books in the Indian ethos and Hindus, beings which says the triumph of good over evil, the winning of righteousness over wrong. So ladies and gentlemen, that this Vyasa Purnima, Bhagwan Ved Vyas, he dictated, Ved Vyas ji, Bhagwan Ved Vyas, he dictated on this very important day the secrets and the book of Mahabharata. Just guess, very important. God, he dictated it to Ganesh Bhagwan. Ganesh ji, Ganpat ji, he dictated, just see. And there was a very important, important agreement, important pact between, this Bhagwan Ganpatji, Ganeshji and Ved Vyas. Because Ved Vyas told him that, Ganeshji told him that, look Ved Vyas ji, I am a very important person. I don't have time. I am busy doing all things in this world and universe. Please, for God's sake, if you stop while reciting the facts and the story of this Mahabharata, and of course afterwards, after Bhagavad Gita also, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, he told him that if you stop, I'm going to run away. I'm not going to just be there. So what I was trying to tell you, that Ved Vyas ji also told him, this Bhagwan Ganpat ji, Ganesh ji, he told him that, okay, I agree with this pact, but mind you, when I am just dictating Mahabharata and this Srimad Bhagavad Gita also, please, for God's sake, don't write it without understanding. So each and everything you have to understand, and then only you have to write it. Okay, this pact was was okay, good. So what happened that this Ved Vyas ji was just in between, because he had also to recite and understand and tell a lot of things. So he used to just use very complicated sentences in between while he was discussing these, while he was narrating and dictating this Mahabharata to Lord Ganesh ji. So during this time, ladies and gentlemen, it was getting very difficult for this Bhagwan Ganpat ji also to understand, because he had to first understand each and every word and stanza and sentence before writing it, and that's what. So he had to do a very legitimate and a very correct and a very honest job. And you just see that, ladies and gentlemen, this Ved Vyas ji got time in between while this Bhagwan God this Ganpat ji was trying to understand and thinking about it and then writing. So in between, Ved Vyas ji would get time for the next sentence, for the next thing, and for the story and for the manuscript dictating of this Mahabharata. So what happened, ladies and gentlemen, that once this while he was dictating and writing, dictating by this Vyasji, Bhagwan Vyasji, Ved Vyasji, and then you just see that he was writing this, this and then this pen. There used to be some pens during times, maybe thousands of years back. It broke. Then so it was very difficult because he could not stop. The Mahabharata had to be written completely. So at that nick of time, ladies and gentlemen, you know what happened at that time? This Bhagwan Ganpat ji, he took away his one tooth. You just see, this was the Guru Shishya Parampara. Even at that point of time, when Ved Vyas ji was dictating to Bhagwan, Ved Vyas ji was dictating to Lord Ganpat ji, Ganesh ji. You just see the son of Lord Shiva's own son, Ganesh ji, Ganpat ji, who is the most important divine deity in God in India and of course Maharashtra. When we say Maharashtra, you just see that they go mad after Ganesh Satati and Ganesh festivals. So what I'm trying to tell you, that he took out his this one big tooth and then wrote with his tooth or the Mahabharata. That's why we say, ladies and gentlemen, Ekadanta. There's a very important bhajan on this Ganesh Bhagwan ji with that Ekadanta. So what I'm trying to tell you, that ladies and gentlemen, just see the beauty of life. You know that Ved Vyas ji, Bhagwan Ved Vyas dictating this Mahabharata to this Ganpat ji, and then Ganpat Maharaj, Ganpat ji just taking, because his pen was broken, he just taking out his tooth and then writing with his tooth only, writing this beautiful Mahabharata afterwards. So ladies and gentlemen, what I am trying to tell you, that this Guru Purnima is very important. Guru Purnima is very important. It has a direct connection with Bhagwan Ved Vyas and of course Lord and God Ganesh Ganpat ji.